I got the bug, so I wanna get going and just start in, but I don't want to go too hard because, you know. But it's still too early to plant outside. We're gonna start planting peas. Typically peas go in the garden in March. For our area, we're in zone 8B up in the Pacific Northwest, Washington State. So I will tip you down, show you what we got going on here. So I'm just gonna drill a few holes in here, down about 1/2 inch or so. And we're gonna go with 1/2 a tray here of seeds. Oregon sugar pod. I do love to eat the pods right off the vine. So we're just gonna pop these guys in. There you go, 16 of them. I like to use this kitchen sieve or colander, very fine mesh, some soil. Once these germinate on this heat mat, then I will move them over to my shelves where I have more lighting until I can transplant them. But that's it, easy peasy. Just screed off some stuff here. Alright, next up we are going to try some onions. So I have some that are in sets. They look like just little small pearl onions. Those just get nestled in. I'm going to put 3 in this pot. And that's it. Those will get a little bit of spray. And on the heat mat they go. We're also going to try some of these onions in seeds. Pop out a few. Tip you down. We're just going to go in and put a couple of, they're very dark black. Probably can't see them. Doesn't take very long. We're only doing 16 of these root trainers. Alright, and as always, a little bit of sieve work over the top, colander work. Doesn't take much to put these in, and then we will give them a good spray. There we go. So we planted some seeds. We got the peas started. We got the onions started. Just a little bit, you know, just a tester. They are on the heat mat under the lights, so I'm sure they'll go.